Assalamu alaikum students of class 7th. This is subject maths. Okay, today we will take the exercise 1.2 on annual and try solving the questions asked in this exercise. Right, so let's start. This is exercise 1.2, right? Exercise 1.2. Question number 1 is write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Okay, so there are many possibilities where you can find the two integers whose sum is -7. Okay, here is given one for you, -5 plus this -5 plus -2. Okay, so the result will be -7. Okay, then another example, for example, -4 plus minus -3, right? So it is sum will also be -7, right? So part B is whose difference is -10. Okay, here is it is solved for you. -2 -8 is equal to -10. Similarly, -4 -6 is also equal to -10, right? Okay, then we have to find pair of integers whose sum is 0, right? So -5 plus 5, it is given here, -5 plus 5. Similarly, you can see -4 plus 4, it is also equal to 0, right? So there are many possibilities wherein you have to find a pair of integers whose sum is some kind of an integer, or difference is some kind of an integer, right? Okay, so now let's move to the question number 2 of the same exercise. This is question number 2. Write pair of negative integers whose difference is 8. Okay, so whose difference is 8. Okay, so this is solved for you. -2 minus -10. Okay, that is equal to -2 plus 10 is equal to 8. Okay, so you can guess another some other pairs of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Say for example, -4 minus 12. Okay, so it will give us -4 plus 12, which is equal to plus 8, right? Plus 8. Okay, so this is how you can find different pairs of negative integers whose difference is positive 8. Okay, then there is a next part. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is here. It is sum whose sum is -5. Okay, it is already solved for you. -7 plus 2 is equal to, so one we have to find negative integer, then a positive integer, and whose sum is -5. This is negative integer, this is positive integer. Okay, their sum is -5. Similarly, you can see this is negative integer and this is positive integer plus 3. Their sum is -5, right? Okay, then there is a part C. Write a negative integer and a positive whose difference is -3. See here, it is solved here. This is negative integer, -2 -1, that is equal to -2 -1, that is equal to -3. Okay, so we can find another -3, -3 -2, sorry, -3 -5 is, for example, -5 and minus, then 2, that is equal to -5 -2, it is -2, negative integer, and we have to find negative integer and a positive integer, right? Okay, so this is the negative integer. We have to find negative integer and a positive integer, negative integer and then positive integer. Okay, so it will give us -2 -1, that is equal to -3, right? Okay, now moving to the question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is, in a quiz, team A scored -10, 10, 0, and team B scores 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? See, this is team A. Okay, their score is minus 40, 10 and 0. Team A, their score is minus 40, 10 and 0. Total score will be minus 40 plus 10 plus 0, that is equal to 30. Minus 40 plus 10, okay, plus 0, it will be 30, but minus 30. Okay, then team B scores 10, 40 and minus 40. Their score will be 10, 40 and minus 40, there will be minus 30. Okay, thus score the both teams are same. Okay, so another part is, can we add integers in any order? Yes, we can add integers in any order, because integers are commutative for addition because of the commutative property, right? Okay, now moving to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. This is minus 5 plus minus 8. Okay, then on the right hand side, there is minus 8 given, and okay, minus 5 is lacking, so we can write down minus 5 here. Okay, this is because of commutative property. Okay, we can reverse the position. Minus 53, then there is another minus 53 plus what is equal to minus 10, so plus 0, right? Simply plus 0 gives us minus 17 plus what gives us 0. 17 plus negative 17, 17 plus negative 17 gives us 0, that is additive identity, right? Okay, so then 13 plus negative 12 plus what is equal to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7, then simply minus 7 is okay, lacking here due to this associative property. Okay, because the brackets are here, okay, but brackets are here. Okay, so this is associative property, we can put minus 7 here, right? Fifth part is minus 4, then bracket is 15 plus negative 3 is equal to bracket is minus 4 plus 15 plus what, plus minus 3 plus negative 3. Okay, plus negative 3, this is again associative property. Okay, this finishes our exercise 1.2. Tomorrow inshallah we will take another important topic of mathematics for you. Okay, so till then, khuda hafiz. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.